स्ट्रेट लाइन guys.
तो मानस रामामा प्रभाकर अरे क्या मामा यूवी रामामा विन्नू भाई आ जाओ भाई
मुंह तो क्लोज చేసేసి
Thank you so much, and at last we were able to finish this Gandhinagar finals. It was supposed to happen last weekend, but because of Roshan and rains, it got cancelled. So congratulations, team Deloitte, yet again. Again and again, we have been proving that your corporate level, team Deloitte can reach the best. And I congratulate you wholeheartedly. And Qualcomm, super performance all throughout. Thanks again for accepting my request to play this match during the daytime. Thank you again. So to start off the presentation ceremony, I would request Samuel Rajkumar. He is Roshan's father. Great diehard fan. Very enthusiastic person. Thank you. Before we give the first trophy, okay? Couple of words from your end, please.
A fantastic match today. It was better last week. It was a day-night match actually. It was very exciting. The going was good on both sides, but unfortunately the rain gods were not in favor, so it spilled over to this week. So this week also the match was very interesting. It was a well-fought match, well-fought all. It was not went together and fought, and it was an even match. It was a good match. We all enjoyed it, and finally one has to win. One has to win. So congratulations, Deloitte.
This is the man of the match for the finals. It goes to your wonderful son. From your end to your father. Well played. Bolo.
I don't know.
You know, this is a
Thank you.
Life boy.
Right boy.
For the next set of, not say but couple of guys from Qualcomm who are new joinees, named Yogesh. What's the experience playing this tournament for Qualcomm?
Good experience, and like before playing the tennis ball actually. So I started it now with the level 1 tournament. It's good experience.
Anna, Manas.
Stopped playing cricket, but I thought let's begin once again. I thought playing cricket in Qualcomm would be very easy. I thought there will be easy players, but after playing with them and playing with Deloitte, I find that there is a good level in cricket here also in the corporate. So I'm happy and thankful to Qualcomm, especially Captain Masker and Sarvesh and all the senior members. And congratulations to Deloitte.
Now, a couple of players from Roshan. I would request Ishan.
कैसे होता है भाई?
Congratulations, Qualcomm. You really played well, and getting into Deloitte and having a place itself is a big achievement here. And yeah, I really enjoyed playing with Deloitte, and there's always competition, and we really fought well. And I enjoyed playing with Deloitte.
वापस जाएगा
चलो भाई आसिफ भाई टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ एंड नेल इट शायरी आ रहा
अंदर से
कल आएंगे
डीसी हो या हो मार्वल, डीसी हो या हो मार्वल, आयरन मैन हो या बैटमैन, क्रिकेट में हमेशा जीतेंगे डेलोइट जो है हमेशा के शक्तिमान। I have always had a wonderful experience with my team, and they have always supported me in any session, in any cricket match. And no matter what role I get within this team, I would love to support them in that area, and I would love to try and be excel in that aspect. And I would always love to support my team, and this winning will continue for a long time now. And it is a wonderful experience, and I thank each and everyone in my team to support me. And yes, Qualcomm, it was that day for you, but then yes, you have reached finals. That is also a very big achievement. So no matter what is the output, always cheer and keep playing. And congratulations to my team.
I would request Mr. Murli. We and Murli started playing together for 5 years, from 25 years back.
Murli, you're that old, huh?
First of all, congrats to Deloitte and Harlan. Welcome. I started playing with them from past 4 tournaments, I think 4 or 5. I
had a wonderful experience playing with them. Thanks for the opportunity. Great time. Thanks for the bowling opportunity.
First wicket.
Today my first wicket.
Qualcomm's last wicket.
Yeah, Qualcomm.
Very important one.
Ganesh. Long speech or not?
Last one.
గట్టి మాట్లాడాలి
It's been a year since I was supporting in all matches. We've been paying also not anything only regularly he was the only one who was shouting the also he is one of the funniest guys
I don't know what is the funniest part because I have not lost the conversation between Roshan and Ganesh. I don't know what kind of support you get from Roshan. Right? So, yes, sir, my God, but post this, I don't know what will happen to you. Ashwin! He is apparently right chick's favorite.
It's a proud moment to have this little man say, and thank you so much for giving me the opportunity.
This is the first season for me, and this team is not a team, it's a family. So thank you so much, Squad. Thank you so much, Roshan. Thank you, Sandeep. And thank you, my team players. And it's been an amazing experience for you guys. And thank you so much, Qualcomm. And all the best for the future tournaments. And yeah, thank you so much.
And what rooted for you?
No, last person, okay, this is something very personal. Fuad. He is not someone who is but yeah, he is an X factor for Deloitte. That is what I can tell about him. Again, मैं बोले तो हंसेंगे शायद. Me and Deloitte, my Fuad also started playing way back. मैं सबके साथ खेल.
First of all, congratulations. I think I always acknowledge this. Thank you for being flexible. Thank you for hosting one of the most competitive tournaments that we have. We love the ground. We love the way that you conduct the entire tournament, the entire exercise.
Just expect more discount.
It's been a fantastic show. Nothing less than expected. I think we'll see how we join together where we got in the last 2 years and where we played. Amazing turnout every single time. A special shout out and thank you to all the supporters, regardless of wherever, regardless of any situation, you guys are always there to support us. So hats off for that. Thank you so much. Qualifying, the fact that we reached the finals is festival. The fact that you have played excellent cricket. Sayeed, I think I've heard a lot about you, so very well done throughout the tournament, and I'm sure the team will go places, and we look forward to having more such matches in the future. So congratulations, and we made it in. Very well done throughout.
Next thing, request everyone to please give a big round of applause to the ground staff. Give a round of applause and also to the entire owner, Abbas, Ramesh, Gopal, and of course our bodybuilder, Akram. So now, the best batsman for the overall tournament, it goes to Satish M from Lloyd's Technology Center. He's not here. but let's clap for him. Best bowler goes to Manga Vasu from Tata Aero. Best leader goes to Sharan Kachar from Everon Health Solutions. Now I request my co-friend, now bodybuilder Bahubali, Vivek Thakur. Yeah, absolutely.
Couple of words from your end. By the way, he was an ex-Deloitte opener, if you guys know it. Fantastic wicket-keeper batsman.
Thank you. Congratulations on reaching the finals. Congratulations, Deloitte. And he has put me on spot, so he has played with everyone, including myself. So
I think he played
so
with
he played
Sandeep
with Sandeep Sun also. So all the very best of that.
Like Judah, no, he'll have to play football with Judah.
So I started playing cricket with Deloitte for like 4 years, 5 years, I believe, and in that I got an opportunity to play for Mavericks. Basically, his tournament for 2 years. He conducts really good tournament and good umpires. You get quality grounds and then flexibility around the schedules, as he was talking about. So, a great opportunity also for all of us from a corporate standpoint to be part of this tournament. We get to play cricket and competitive cricket. So I wish you all the very best in the near future for both the teams and throughout the tournament for all the teams. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much. And cricket is our passion. So let's live with that. And thank you so much.
He still holds the record of the best batsman in my complete MSCL. Alright, now the most valuable player for this session goes to
Hitman. One champion to the other. Hey! Secret. One last one is.
now I would request our hero friend, Mr. Kiran from Deloitte. Please come up here.
Hey, Kiran! अब उसको भी दो.
Senior officer leader at Deloitte. Couple of words from here.
So yeah, I think very little played, usual coming to the finals and not a great experience. So, but I'm sure we will continue to play and wish you all the best for your future tournaments. And as always, I'm super proud. Well done, congratulations, Deloitte. So thank you.
Money for tonight's party.
Alright, yeah, thanks a lot. I think very well played, and it was kind of an equal match in the beginning. And I know the first 4 to 5 overs was really played well. After that, it really turned a little bit, and you guys turned it really well. So very well.
UV sticker there from your team. UV will be got.
Alright, Vimbai and Vignesh, please request you to come up here for a couple of minutes. You played together, yeah. You played together. We have been encouraging a lot. At times, he keeps calling me and he gives me input to how to improve myself. Thank you so much.
Appreciate that patience. No, I played it with you.
Congrats, guys. you have very great skill. I was telling our guys, bowling attack, the way we started, I thought we started well, but I was telling that they have the batting there, so be a little cautious. I told them that 160 was definitely our game. The moment you scored 170, I told them that we need partnerships. But then the way we bowled, really well. So congratulations for all of you. And we have a fresh team, some of our fresh guys. Hopefully we'll give you a tough fight in a couple of months from now. Of course, one of the good tournaments, the corporate tournaments, I did not tell because our participation is going to continue for a few more editions for sure. We have been continuing to play for a long time. So, very well organized. So, thanks to all the groundsmen and umpires as well. So, keep it up and we'll continue to support the
So almost like it's been 16 years since I started playing for World Cup. And every time when we play Deloitte, it's always a tough match for us. We have to plan a lot, and that's the quality of the team. And most important thing is the agendas that they have between themselves, that is taking their places. Congratulations for winning this time. All the very best, and as you said, this is a young team, so we would also like to improve and then give a tougher fight in the upcoming match. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now, given the Qualcomm
Master to please come up here and couple of words, couple of you, but really well throughout the room.
So my words will almost be the same as what Congratulations to G for everything out there watching. So a round of applause for G, umpire, ground staff. As rightly called out, grounds or the pitches in this kind of unpredictable weather, right? So you never know when it will start raining, and then when it will start taking off the cover. Right? So yeah, a huge round of applause for all the guys who are doing the job. And yeah, well played guys. So yeah, we fought really well to reach this stage, right? So keep your chin up, right? And we will keep fighting. And as I pointed out, right? So I see a lot of match winners, and I think that's a quality which every team should develop, right, within themselves. That is where people could start competing, and every team will become better from there.
Follow your team from the Kiran sir, please, with the medals to individual.
Kiran sir, come on, Kiran sir.
Nice clap for them.
Congratulations, the 30th edition runners-up, Platinum Cup runners. Team Qualcomm. Now, Sandy Peter.
Sandeep in himself is a chick.
Congratulations. Very well played. I think if you all continue and probably hire a couple of them from Deloitte, it will be great. Joseph Part, very well done. Congratulations. Deloitte, very well played as always. 40 games of unbeaten streak. I think it's fantastic. Very well done. Very well done. Very well done. And Heat, I think regardless they won the best tournaments, one of the best grounds, one of the best organizing team, and I think you've been very, very flexible with all the teams. They say that you are biased to Deloitte, but that's not the fact. I know the behind the story, but really very well done. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Sandy. And before we go for the next presentation, in fact, most of the people know this. We have a new ground which is almost done. So every team which is participating in the next edition will be playing one single match in that new ground. Going forward, probably, if we have so many number of teams, right, we'll be playing in both the grounds. And trust me, that ground is no lesser than this ground. It will be a fantastic ground. It will be a champion, the captain of Deloitte.
Vipin was in their last game and Jace was like, Vipin's going to light my ass up. Because, we are doing this game, but again, I think jokes apart, well done, Qualcomm. I think you're one team that we never like to take seriously because there's one team that's always come close to getting to, our target. So we don't really like you. Yeah, I think, well done, guys, and I think fantastic effort. Our boys played well, right? The boys played well, and I think, it's not me or Fuad as captain and vice captain that make us so great. It is this entire team that makes us this great. I think everybody, I just don't want to pick a name. We have champions, like, look at what we did. Manas, Prabhakar, like, Chetan was fantastic. Oh my God! So you see, Jay Surya, like, I think people sitting on the outside supporting us. Like, look at everybody who's come to support us. Like, I think, it's a fantastic team. And when I say team, all of you guys are also part of this team. So it's not something that we've achieved alone. It's something that all of us have built together, right? And I look forward to playing more of cricket for Deloitte and getting more of laurels, budgets, and fancy stuff for ourselves, right? But again, I think, like I always say, fantastic stuff by G. We love and enjoy playing this tournament. The umpires are great. The ground staff, right? Everybody, they put in tremendous effort to get our games going. But again, like Pete rightly called out, 40 odd games now, and everybody should clap for yourselves. Roshi. How many?
Now they are all going to play football.
Give it to your dad.
Give it to mom. Team Deloitte. Rohit Sharma.
Come on, 3 cheers to Deloitte. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hooray! Guys, 3 cheers to Qualcomm. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip!